This video is sponsored by Truck Series from Mitchell 1. Complete service and repair information for Class 4 through 8 trucks. For more information and a free demonstration, visit mitchell1.com.
I'm Alex Chrissy, Senior Editor of Fleet Equipment Magazine, and this is Fleet Equipment's On the Road. If you've been following the most recent engine announcements, you'll notice that the engine companies have spent a good deal of time highlighting the features of the Aftertreatment system, or ATS. That's no accident. The ATS is extremely important, and the systems have advanced significantly in recent years. ATS have led to a significant reduction in the emissions pouring from the engine. However, they've required something of a reputation as a thorn in fleet sides thanks to their significant maintenance costs. Engine manufacturers are well aware of this, and newer ATS systems have been improved to avoid these kinds of problems. There are also measures fleets can take on their own to help prevent these kinds of issues. There are three components to the engine aftertreatment system: the diesel particulate filter, or DPF, the diesel oxidation catalyst, or DOC, and the selective catalytic reduction, or SCR. The DPF has been the main focus of attention when problems come up, but it's just as important to look at the DOC and SCR to make sure everything in the system is working properly with each other. For additional maintenance tips, you can always consult with your engine manufacturer. If you want more in-depth trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.